introduce Piper to Marvin again. He hasn't hung out with him enough.
Look at this funny guy.
He's really funny.
He's really a funny guy.
Does it smell good in here? Does it smell good down here? I'm asking you, not
Oh,
he.
yes. Well, I thought you asked he.
Because I'm baking bread. This is the little one. We're gonna wait for it to rise and then put egg on it and then put these on it. Look.
Oh, that's not a little one.
Do you like it?
I bet this heat feels good over here, doesn't it, Marvy?
He's so cute.
Not too hot. We don't want to hurt you.
Right. He's a
Big,
little
fat, ugly.
He's
This
really
looks
tiny.
delicious.
I hope it will turn out well. It's been in there for quite a while. I made little decorations. This is supposed to be a bird. Can you tell? That was supposed to be a bird.
I thought it was a snowman.
The snowman's
Oh, that is a little bird.
Yeah, got a little tail. And a Christmas tree, of course.
Of course.
This is the egg yolk we put on it to give it a nice yellow glow like that one already has. Oh, that actually looks really nice. Wow. Bread. Okay. What did he say
He
to
just
him?
poked him real hard with his nose. He does not care that he's a
That's
creature.
sad.
He recognizes that it's something, but he doesn't really seem to care.
Hey, Piper. Can you tell me... Actually, come here. Now sit. Sit. Now shake. Now other paw. Other paw. Come here. Sit. Shake. 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 Okay, dog. You just want to get the bunny. I was trying to show my home video how smart you were. Here. Come here. Lay down. Wait, look at me and lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Piper. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Hey, Piper, lay down, please. Okay, you just keep waddling towards me. How about this? Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Now, Piper. Piper. Oh, you just got back up. I was going to show them how you can roll over. If you come inside, you can roll over with less distractions. All right. Now, come here. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Piper. 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 You're crawling. Roll over. No. Roll over, please. Hey. You look funny like a splayed dinosaur. Never mind. I guess we'll never know. Do you want to go outside? He was too rowdy to be doing his tricks today.
He doesn't shy away from my touch as much as he used to. Yeah, I guess he does.
No, he's a good boy. He's gotten used to us.
He really has. Like, look how quickly he warmed up.
I want to hold him. You record me.
Well, he's my buddy.
All right. I mainly just want to be on camera because I'm always behind camera on these things. I'm the director. I'm not doing a very good job directing.
Look at him. He's just sitting still.
So today we have some fun plans for our adventure. We want to, well, got up early and baked those 2 breads. We for sure want to go see Into the Spiderverse, which we are getting 2 tickets for the cost of only $8.50 because I had a discount code for $7 off. And 1 ticket was only $6.50. What else? We're gonna go to the Dollar Tree and buy some snacks beforehand because we like to load up my big tote bag with cheap little snacks before we go to the theater.
Uncle Bill's.
We'll go to Uncle Bill's. We'll look at puppies. If there's a Cavalier, a King Charles Cavalier, I'm gonna get it out and play with it. And actually, that's one of my plans for another tattoo. I'll just crop that part out.
So I have an idea.
Tell me.
When we go to the movie, we could put the rat in the fridge to de-thaw and then we could just warm it up in the water.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Pepper saw me over here, so he decided to come to the door. Bye.
has asymmetrical scales.
Why is that?
I don't know, but they're really good. I don't know, scare him. I think he's directly on top of him. He's so cute.
I know. Oh.
Hi!
Marvin.
He didn't like my hair.
No. He wants to smell it. Oh my gosh, it's like a forest for him.
He's like, oh, I don't want to go
I
there.
don't know what I feel about it. Alright, well that was a timer to go look at my bread. So I turned the heat like way up. It went from 350 to like 425, no, 400.
I weighed him.
Oh, I think it's ready. What do you think, Fletcher?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, wow.
I weighed him yesterday. I had him stretched out at one point.
He's over a year old. We got him like a year and a half ago.
No, he's a little baby.
You weighed him
We
up
did
there?
get him a year and a half ago.
In the summer.
Can't believe he's that old.
How do you feel about this bread, baby?
I'm really excited to eat it. That's gonna be my breakfast.
Oh
Don't
my
drop
God.
it, please. Don't
It's
drop
really hot though.
We'll just put it down. Not there. Okay.
Okay. The next step, when we're making these breads, we have to take care to do all the steps. Alexa, nobody talks to her and she just woke
What are
up
you
and
doing?
talks to us. So,
Don't play that.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
stop. This is the second bread.
Hey.
It's not as fancy. It doesn't have like rose shapes like the other one. We're just gonna put the egg yolk on it to give it a nice yellow glow. So when it bakes, it looks nice and warm and colorful. And then we're gonna put the little decorations on it. For this one, the decorations I made were a Christmas tree and a little bird, kind of like a partridge, you know, in the pear tree. So I made that, and hopefully that'll turn out pretty. Pretty, pretty. Okay. I'm just kind of whisking the brush all around. I'm not being very careful. This is what it looks like just with the egg yolk. Now we're going to carefully take these little buddies that I made out of dough.
You're
Gently.
such a dork, dude.
Me?
No, him. He's just pushing his little nose into my hand.
Well, that's cute.
Look at him.
Oh my gosh, he's getting long.
I know.
What are you doing, bud?
Can't go down there.
You get lost down there.
I'm always worried about setting him down.
Right?
There's no mites on this table.
You could go anywhere though.
No, he's... Oh, I bet that feels good.
Oh, up against him?
Isn't it weird that he knows how...
Oh, Marvin.
What you doing?
He's going under the wrapping paper. He's in the Christmas spirit. Hi.
So what are you doing?
He's so. Why is he moving sideways?
He's a dummy. He's a good boy. What are you doing pushing that pin?
He doesn't like the pen. I wonder if he could do like finger painting with his body.
He could.
I don't wanna
put
put paint on
him.
No, I wouldn't want to do that.
He's gonna fall. This big fat body. It's gonna bed.
I want to lift it up. We found you.
And it wasn't very hard.
Moofy moo.
But this is very angry. Oh, don't be on the scissors.
Oh, poor buddy.
Look at him, dude. He's getting pretty big.
Give him things to climb on.
He won't go up that.
Okay. I think it's because he's a very well, behaved snake. Alright, this little birdie has to go on the bread. Hold on, I'm putting bread on the bread.
Let me see how long he is, but while I stretched out.
Dude, he's like 2 feet long.
He's like 3 feet long, man.
Oh my gosh.
He's dang 2 feet long. Can you wipe down the table that he's in?
Once he's done, yeah. This is a Christmas tree I made for the bread. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Where should I put the tree?
Bro, you've heard of rat's knuckles.
Snake knuckles. Where should I put this tree if the bird's right there?
Right here.
Okay.
You're so cute.
Now I'm gonna paint them.
Is it gonna rise?
It already kind of rose a little bit.
We
This
don't
one-
need a really big one because that other one's really big.
Well, it's not even as big as I wanted it to be. I think we should invest in getting like a big pan,
Big
like
bread pan.
right, like for focaccia specifically, because these are just little. And like, imagine if this was on top of that other bread. You know what I mean? Like, it would be such a
I
big,
do know what you mean.
big, nice bread.
He's checking out. He's checking it out. He's watching you.
It's funny because he
Look.
doesn't eat food like this.
He's
Hi.
watching you.
Egg yolk? I think you would die. Putting it in the oven.
He freaks out whenever you switch hands, but he will just crawl all the way down. And he's 4 feet in the air and be fine.
He's very funny. 450 degrees. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes. And then we'll check on it because I do not want.
Starting now.
Okay, I do not want to burn that bread. But look at how marvelous this other one is. It's so
Two
cute.
snowmen.
Yeah, well, they kind of like melted into it,
That's okay.
but we love them all the same. Do you see what I mean? These look like roses.
Mhm.
They used to be like very defined curls. It rose a lot.
Good.
It was like not even as tall as the pan.
Good.
And now it's like, whoop.
Alright, I'm gonna go put him up.
Okay.
Say bye, Marvin.
Bye, Marvin. We love you, weirdo. We'll feed you later.
Yeah. Big fat rat.
Come here, boy. Come here, go dog. Come inside now. I want to show everybody watching this home video how many tricks you can do. Come here, buddy boy. Do you want to chase me? Good boy. All right. Now. You're such a good boy. You're so pretty. Such a good, pretty boy. Now. Drop it. Drop it. Hey. Drop it. Okay. Now lay down. Come on, you can do it. You're crawling. I want you to roll over. Oh my gosh, you went for the toy. All right, come here. Lay down. Stay. You're such a good dog. Stay. Roll over, good boy. You knocked over a little present, but you're such a good boy. Now, drop it. Lay down. No. Put your head down. Good boy, rolling over. You do it kind of halfway. Come here. Oh my gosh, you trampled me. You're such a rowdy puppy. All right. Drop it, and I'll throw it for you. Drop it. Drop. Ready? I'll throw it for you. I'll throw it for you. Go get it. Good boy, caught it in the air. Bring it here. Come here. Bring it here. Drop it, please. Drop it. Ready? Good boy. That was cute, puppy. Now sit. I said sit. Up here. Up here. Come up here. Whoa. Now stay. 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 Shake. Good boy. Now, come here, buddy. Sit. High five. Good boy. You're such a good puppy. I love you so much. Yes, I do. Aww. That's the exact way that I got you tattooed on me. With that little face and that little hedgehog. That's what I got on this tattoo. That little hedgehog and that little face. That little puppy face. You are cute, aren't you? Wow. Where's the cat? Where's the bunny? Now how about this? What in the world? Go see Fletcher. Go see Fletcher.
What are you doing?
Go see Fletcher. Have him hop up on your little tummy, dance with him. Oh,
Come here.
come on, buddy. Good boy. He's too excited.
Good boy.
Oh, we love you, Piper.
Smell that, Piper.
No, he's a good boy. Aw, I love you. I love you. Whoa. Whoa. Wow. Where's the cat? Where's the bunny? Where's the little baby chipmunk? What in the world? Oh. Oh. Get the bunny! You're a good boy. Do you want to chase me? Is that what you want to do? Do what you want to do. Hop up on the couch. Hop up on the couch. That's not the couch. Come here, doggy. Come up on the couch. Come on. Good boy. Now sit. Good boy. Lay down. Good dog. Put your head down. Aw, put your head down. Good boy. He's so cute, Fletcher. He listens to all his baby commands. What part of the day are you most excited for, Fletchy?
I don't know. What are you doing? Dude. I have to show you this meme. It's awful.
Show me in a little bit.
Okay.
First, look at Piper.
Oh my god, dude.
He's so cute. Oh, he pushed the phone on my hand. That's how he go. Fletch, what do you think the bread will taste like?
Yummy.
Talk to me for the home video.
I can't stop looking at this.
Alright, fine. I'll go watch the creepy meme.